SafeStep Gate Range goes from 68 centimetres to 103 centimetres, but it can be extended all the way up to 159 centimetres using extension pieces. Now I'm just going to demonstrate how to fit the extensions to the SafeStep gate. So the 7 centimetre and the 14 centimetre extensions come very similar to this. You'll simply slot the pole into the extension piece, and then you'll slot the extension piece into the frame. Now when that's in position, you follow the usual installation as per the other video, which will be putting the fittings into the gate and the spindles and the wall cups. Now what we'll do is we'll show you the larger extension piece as well, which is the 28 centimetre extension piece. This is slightly different because it's longer. We tried to make it more secure. So what we'll do is we will pop the bungs into the extension piece, and then we put these into the end of the gate first as well, and these will slot into the gate slots here. And then we also provide an additional clamp. Now this clamp really holds everything in position. You'll just simply slot your gate into the clamp, and then we finish fitting as usual. But on this 28 centimetre extension piece, you will not need these bungs, the one at the top, but you will need the one at the bottom. That slots into position. There's a pre-made bung in there already, and then your spindles go into the bungs.